Okay, guys, welcome you all to the introductory part of this powerful training. In this introduction, I'm going to be open your mind to some certain things you have to understand, especially those that are just going into tech industry. One thing you want to understand is learning the skills is very easy, but monetization aspect of it is the most expedient that you need to know because according to research 80% of website developers or website design out there are broke because they couldn't monetize the skills they have. So in this training we'll be learning how to develop or design a website without coding and also how to monetize the skills to foreign clients that pay you in dollar or in hard currency, and also to Nigeria clients that pay you in naira. So in this training, that's all you'll be learning. So let's go to my laptop screen to show you some other things.
Guys, so welcome to the training. So in this training, you are going to be designing a site just like this. So you can see this website is a very classical and beautiful website. So you're going to be learning how to design this kind of website. This is an NGO website, right? You can see the same concept to design a company website and all of that. And I did this website for 150,000 naira. So you're not just going to learn how to design this kind of website with donate, you're going to integrate donate, right? So you can click on the donate button. You see when you click on donate, people can make a donation online and people can also do a transfer. So when you click on make donation online, so you see that it's going to take you to the donation page where you have to make donation online, right? So this is a very good site. So you're going to learn how to design something like this kind of site, right? So you're also going to learn how to design company sites like this site. Let me show you the promise. So this is a company site that I did for one company in Canada. So you're going to learn how to design stuff like this. Also, this is also a WordPress website. So when we go to the training, I'm going to introduce all of this to you. Then you're also going to learn how to design e-commerce sites. So this is an e-commerce site, done by one of my students. Actually, this is not my work. It's actually done by one of my students who is making millions online selling products on the internet from his website. So I'm going to be revealing all of these secrets to you, how to design an e-commerce site like this also, and the secrets and strategies that he is using to make a lot of sales, to make a lot of money, from this kind of website. So you're going to be doing something like this. You're going to be doing something like this, right? So we'll move further. We'll teach you how to design something like a cryptocurrency website. So you see this website, it's a cryptocurrency, it's a Bitcoin investment website. Also see this one, see that all Bitcoin investment website, and you can register on the website. So you can register on the website. So you can see I can register on this website like this. So let me just use, you can register. So I click on create an account. So you see my account has been created. So let me log into my account. So I log in right into my account. Alright, so you can see I've logged into my account and you can see the site, right? So you learn how to create such sites. This is not a WordPress site. This is a PHP website. So you can go to wallet and I can invest. Let's say I want to invest $1,000, right? So I'll copy the Bitcoin address I want to invest to. After sending money to the Bitcoin address, I'll just click on deposit. So when I click on deposit, you see that it has been deposited. Your deposit of $1,000 has been done, and you see it's pending, right? So if I go to my Gmail, I can actually check. That. So admin can log in, and admin will see your investment. I do not just want to log into the admin because it's a site I did for a client, so I do not want to go into the admin of the website, right? So All right, so you can see all of that. So account details that I just work on, that I just registered on the website, right? You can see the details of the account, right? So this is just one of it. I also have another one. This is Swift Capital. So I can click on login. From login right away, I can click on register. So these websites are not WordPress website, they are advanced website, but you will not be writing any line of programming code to get all of this done. Then this is another one. Can you see that? So this is .coin capital. So you can also see that this site has a live chat. Hi. So you're going to learn how to put a live chat in a site, right? So you can see this is a live chat and you can integrate it for in a site. You know, most of the time when I design websites for clients, I do not actually put all of these features, and later on when I finish designing the site, I come again and tell them, hey, don't you think we need a live chat in your site? Then I charge them again to do that. So I can also put a WhatsApp button on the site, like you saw in my site that you registered for this training. You register for this training, so you see that there is a live chat a website. So these are top-notch information that you are going to be learning. So let me just remove this guy, and then so you see that I can go back to my dashboard and I can go to my user profile, and then my user profile, I can fill my user profile and then enter my information, and let me go back to dashboard. I can go to my package, so you can see the package. Once you have been approved admin for your deposit, how you can then place your investment. Admin will get to see all of that. So you'll be learning how to design all of these kind of website. Also, you are going to learn how to design a logistic website. So you can see this is a logistic website, very beautiful website. So this is a logistic website. So you can see with all of the main pages, you can charge your client between 50k to 100k to design this kind of website. So I can go to track truck. So I can go to track truck. So this, I can put this tracking number and click on track. So you see that tracker information invalid. So information is not valid, but when I enter a valid tracking number and I click on track, so you see it's going to pop up this like this. Then click on save full details. So you can see the tracking information. So this is not this is a WordPress site combined with a particular code and a script that you are not going to be writing, and you just can get all of these kind of sites done. So this is a Korea website. I have a lot of them. So you're going to learn how to design this kind of website. So we will go further. You're going to also learn how to design marketing websites. So you can see this is a website that I use to sell information, and I have made a whole lot of money selling this information. So this is my Paystack. So you're going to learn how to use Paystack, how to integrate Paystack into payment, how to collect payment online. People can come to your site, click on the pay button online, and people are going to make payment on your website. So let me just refresh this one more time so you see that it's for real. So you can see that Paystack. You can see that in the last 30 days, this is my company. I have made 417,000 from Paystack. So let me do this year. Okay, this year. So this year, you see that I've made 1.5 million. This is just the money paid into my account. Not the one people do transfer. A lot of people do not want to use their credit card to pay online, so they do transfer. I'm going to show you how you can integrate payment method into your website so that people can come to your website and put their credit card and make payment, right? You can put their credit card and make payment. So this is also my Flutterwave account. So you can see in the last 7 days on Flutterwave, let me just refresh this. In the last 7 days on Flutterwave, I have made okay, in the last 7 days, let me use 7 days. In the last 7 days, I've made 9,900 from Nigeria. So in the last 30 days, 14,000. So if I remove Nigeria and put in USD, so this is how much I made USD. 110 USD has been paid to me. So I can remove USD again and put Ghana. Okay, in the last 1 month, no Ghana Petty has paid. Let me see. Okay, I think this is Togo, or so 5,000 Togo shillings or something like that. I forgot the country. So I'm going to show you how to use this international payment method so that you can get international people to pay you. So there are sometimes you have international clients. These international clients, they have to pay you online. So with Flutterwave, international clients can pay you. Why with pay stack. And you see here, this is pay stack. Local clients can pay you. So if I go to my customers, you'll see my customers. So if I go to my payouts, let me go to payout. So you see my payout on Monday, 7th June, 24,000, 2,000, 3,000, 24,000, 24,000, 9,000, 24,000, 29,000, 6,100, 26,000, 58,000, 49,000, 24,000, 23,000, 24,000, 29,000, 29,000, 29,000, 29,000, 30,000, 29,000, 24,000, 24,000, 24,000. You see the payment keep coming. Look at all of the dates. Can you see that? March, May, June, all of them. Every day you get paid online. So these are the secrets that you're going to be learning in this training, right? So what you have to do is, which it has to do with the number one assignment, you have to go to paystack.com, right? So paystack.com, paystack.com. So you have to create an account on Paystack, right? You have to create an account, create a personal account on Paystack. So this is one of the assignments that you're going to be doing, right? So you're going to come here and create a personal account. If they ask you, are you a software developer? I say yes, I am. So that you can, I will show you how to integrate all of this. You create a personal account. If you don't have a business name, create a personal account. If you have a business name, create a business account. So by the time you create account, and log in, there's a place they'll ask you if you have a business and maybe a business CSC certificate. So you supply those information. The same thing with Flutterwave, right? So you go to Flutterwave, then you click on create account, right? So now please, I want to beg you, when creating account on these websites, Flutterwave and Paystack, please ensure that the phone number you used for your BVN is the same phone number you are using to create account on this website. Else, your account will have issue. Use the same number you used for your BVN, right? The same number you use for your BVN that you use in your bank to create account. Then also, I will also show you how to create card. Maybe you want to make payments online. If I go to my Flutterwave, I go to cards, right? Let me go to cards. So if I go to my Flutterwave, I go to cards, you see that these are cards that I've created, right? So I can create a card with another person's name. Let me open this card for you so that you see. So you see that I can create a card with another person's name. I can use that card to make payments, right? So let's say you have a client who has problem with his card. I want to make payment on Facebook and all of that, or any other site. You can create an international card with the client's name, and the credit card information like this will be issued to the client, with expiry date and all of that, and you can use that card to make payment online. You can also create a card with Barter. So use Barter. So you're also going to open an account with Barter Flutterwave. So it's different from Flutterwave. There is barter.flutterwave.com. Look at it here. Barter.flutterwave.com, and there is flutterwave.com. So it's two different sites entirely, but owned by one company, right? So you're going to create an account in Barter. You're also going to create an account in Flutterwave. You're also going to create an account in Paystack, because we will be needing all of this. So if I go to my card right here, you see that I have 3 cards here. Can you see that? So anytime I want to make international payment, I don't have problem with making international payment, and I can credit the card. I can fund this card. So what you need to do is that on this Barter Flutterwave, there is an app. They have an app. The app is very, very effective, right? So you're going to go to your Play Store, go to your Android Play Store. So you have to do it right away, right? So as I'm talking, you need to pause the video. Then any account asks you to create, you need to pause the video and go right here to create an account. So you go to barter.flutterwave.com, or just use your phone. It's even better to create this account with your phone, because they have a very good app, and there are some functions in the app that are not available on the web. So just go ahead, create the account. When you create the account, they will automatically give you a card. So, but when they give you a card, you need to create another card, right? So you see something like that, like let me go to card. You say create a new card. So you see that I can create a new card. How much do I want to put in the card? Maybe I want to put $20 in the card, I'm going to create a new card. Now they're going to ask me to put the funds. So you will have credited, just fund your Barter account. So when you fund your Barter account, the money in the account can now be used to create a card, right? The money in your account cannot be used to create a card. So anytime I want to pay, a lot of people complain they cannot make payment online. These are the solutions that I use to make payment online and never fall into any kind of payment scam or payment issues, right? So if you also have issues using your own credit card, to make payment online, this is very good for you to always use, right? So we are not going to stop there, right? We are also going to, I'm going to show you here I get stunning images that I use for my design, right? So the kind of images you get from free pick are different from the kind of images you get from Google itself. So you can see from free pick, I can, let's say I want mockup, I can come here and type mockup. Let me just show you. Let's say I need mockup, I can come into free pick, and search for mockup. You see that? So I can download all of these mockups. You see that these are good mockups. And when you download, all you need to do is just change probably the text and change one or two things here. Then you can. So somebody that is selling a cream will need a mockup, so that maybe you want to advertise somebody that is selling a cream, or somebody that is selling a cream need a very good design. So I can just come here, download this, and put the person's name. You can see that these are mockups. So these are very much. So somebody have used this to do one job for me. Just come here, remove this name, put the person's company name, and send to me to do design. So most of this, so you see logo, you can also come here and just change one or two things to do 3D logo. But beware of anything you see star. Star means you have to pay for this. But when there's no star, means you can use it for free. So this is where I get most of my image that I use for my design. Your design, for you to be unique and different, people will not understand where you are getting your image from. You come to free pick. So I use free pick. All you need to do is just create an account on free pick. It's free. So let's say I want to do something like, let's say, computer training. So you see that if I want to do computer training, can you see that? So you see stunning images for computer training. I can just right click and open this a new tab. So you can see that stunning images for computer training. So I can also do something like flyer. Yeah, I want to do flyer. Can you see that? So you see stunning images for flyer. So let me just click for travel. So you see that all of these are very good and stunning images that you will not need a graphic designer to do for you. So you see that I can just click on download right here, and I can go here, I change this information, put the person's logo I want, I can change this picture, anything I want. I can just change the information to the person's. When I keep the design, can you see that? So I can come here also change all of this information, right? Can you see that? I can change all of those information. So can you see this kind of design? I can change all of this information. Is like a free ticket for sure. So you don't need to be a badass guru for you to be able to use all of these tools and resources that I am showing you. So in this training, we are going to be making use of all of these resources. So I've shown you 4 websites that you need to create account. You need to create account on FreePick, you need to create account on Paystack, you need to create account on Flutterwave, and you also need to create account on Bata. Right? So we will also go ahead to create, a website like this. This is a blogging website. Can you see that? And this website is monetized. Can you see this website? This website is monetized with AdSense. So I'm going to show you how you can easily apply and get AdSense. There are tricks for you to apply and get AdSense. So I'm going to show you all of that. So you see this guy is making money from his website. Can you see that? So this is like a blog website. So these and many more, and we are going to be learning in this training, right? So your assignment today is to go ahead, right? Your assignment today is to go ahead and create account on these websites that I've just shown you, right? So create account on those websites that I have shown you, right? So the 4 websites, you have to create an account on those 4 websites. So guys, I will see you in the next training, where we have to go deeper and deeper into this course. Thank you again for listening to me. My name is